Here it is, guys. The box has arrived with my new book, Weed Free Gardening. All right, my book, Weed Free Gardening, just came in, and so I want to go share a first look with some really, really important people. Hold on. Goats. Hey, goats. So I just wanted to find out, what do you guys think about being featured in my book? Weed Whack Use Goats. Georgette? Nancy? What do you guys think? I think they want to eat the book. I have a couple other people who need to get their opinion. Hi, guys. So y'all are the biggest recipients of my weeds. What do you guys think of the book? Huh? Weed-free gardening? Are you in favor? Rosie? Muscovies? Delawares? Silver Gray Dorkings? Ooh. What do you guys think? Weed-free gardening, is it good for chickens and ducks? Chicken and duck friendly? Oh, Miss Sussex, I know you've got an opinion. All right, Dad, what do you think of my new book?
Well, let's see. It's about it's got an H in it, and an I in it, and a good guy. So that's a guy.
What about the pictures? Open it up.
More than I'm ever gonna read.
The true test, though, is, what does Luna think? Luna? Weed-free gardening? Do you have thoughts? I guess that's not so interested. As you guys can see, I'm a little bit underappreciated here on the homestead. So I hope when you pick up your copy of the book, Weed Free Gardening, that you'll have a better response than my goats, my chickens, my ducks, my dad, and my dog.